come over to our place sometime. Tong's Hang He Cheng. See that thing blocking it? The water's probably over 1 meter deep now. The whole of this barrier. I'll go after it. MHM, coming. Wow. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Help him. Help him. Oh no, Xiao Wang, stand to the side first, stand to the side. Stand to the side, to bend it. Oh my god, handsome man, for you. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on here? Everyone, come and judge. It's fine too. Or a feeling. I will definitely cooperate. You definitely didn't take it. I definitely didn't take it. Over there, over there. Is this your first day driving? You stopped to watch the lottery. That's not good. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. On this highway. You stopped to watch the 7-star lottery. This is a non-emergency situation. Parking in the emergency lane of the highway. We will punish you according to the law. Come on, parallel here, here, here. What happened? He's not killing people in public housing. Going the wrong way. Because they are unfamiliar with the road conditions. Insufficient experience driving on the highway. Exiting the highway early in the west. When driving to the toll station, found that they had exited the highway early. So they turned around and drove the wrong way. Okay, clear the field for a quick attack. Number 2, Wang Sheng from Bai Yunqing. Hey everyone, let's go and make a statement first. He took pictures up girls' skirts here. He did it here. Me too. Right? Why wait until the police arrive? You just take it. If I arrest the wrong person, I'll quit my job. I'll resign myself. Everyone, take a look. This is the 13th of June. Help me make a statement, everyone. Which classes kids are arguing? What's your homeroom teacher's name? Block 6705 plus 50707. Go ahead. Quiet. It's reassuring to write it like this. Still there. Still picking, still not giving back. Pick some more. Still eating. Everyone's idle. Anyway, it wasn't enough just now. Still here. Right. We have to leave here. What are you? You take things, stay put. The hammer is coming. Bring things over here. Do you hear me? I'm telling you. If you touch me, it's assaulting a police officer. Tell. Must leave. Young Master Liu, move you over here. Okay. Come over a bit and take a look. Don't move. Get out of the way. Coming. Follow the activities. See if it's these things. Welcome to join us here. We will all give you a signature. Be careful, get pulled away. Give Ji and he the pink one. If you see a cat, don't walk slowly. Is it parked on top? This is a steady novel. It's pink. Xiao Wan. Fuck you. I'm going to do it once. I want you to speak properly. You can't study anymore. You guys go to jail. Can't assault a police officer. I told you. You have committed a crime. It's all illegal. Go. How are you this week?